Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. So I really hope you like this look. That's why you're probably here. Oh my god guys, I know I say this like every time in like every single video. I was planning on doing something very natural using like 2 colors of eyeshadow and I ended up with this. Story of my life, story of my life. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Oh, hello, how are you doing? Are you ready for a tutorial? Okay, I'm ready. We're going for, no, I'm not going to tell you what look I'm going for today because it always ends up like completely different than what I had in mind. So stopping there, I'm going to start off this look with primer. Look how pretty this is. Love it. The primer that I'm going to use is Météorite, I think it's French, from GLAM, which is a super nice primer, and I love this because it's the smell is so good. If you have sensitive skin and you want that hydration going on in your skin, that glow, that luminosity, smells so good. It smells very luxurious. Let that do its job, and before I'm going to start off with the base, I'm going to do my brows first, then the eyes, and then the base. You know the drill. So for the brows, I am going to use no Anastasia, no Iconic London. I'm going to use NYX, I think it's just NYX, right? NYX Cosmetics Eyebrow Gel in Brunette. This one was a fave for a long time and I saw it in my drawer and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use you again. And I think this is a perfect dupe for the dip brow from Anastasia. You just need a little bit and it works really precisely. But I am going to use the Anastasia brush in numero, I have no idea, all the text is gone, but just the normal usual Anastasia brush. So with the Shape Tape Concealer in light medium from Tarte, I am going to clean up everything. I don't know if you can see it. I made a mistake here. So once we've defined the brow, I'm going to use the Brow Gel by Anastasia in Caramel. So that is one brow done. I'm going to fix the other brow. I did the other brow as well, as you can see. And what I did is I took the Tarte concealer and I've applied it on my whole eyelid as a base. Usually I use translucent powder after that because I don't want my eyeshadow to look patchy. But I did a tutorial on Instagram, I think it was yesterday. Honestly, my favorite look I've ever created. And I didn't use a translucent powder on top of the base because I thought the pigment was going to stick better on a not really wet base but more like a damp base instead of a powder, but I was kind of afraid that it would look patchy as well, but that wasn't the case at all. So I really liked it, so I'm going to try it again and not use a translucent powder. So wish me luck. Maybe I will ruin it today, but by the way, as you can see, this is the brow gel from NYX. If it's on your brows, it's on your brows, if you know what I mean. Oh, it stays on so well. I'm going to use this palette from BH Cosmetics. I've received it today. It's the Glam Reflection Gilded palette. You have 15 colors in it, and when I saw these colors for the first time, I was shook. Look at these beautiful, vibrant, neutral colors, but with a twist because I really love the yellow one, super gold one. This one, oh my god, I thought it was like light pink, but it's like rosé gold. It's so beautiful. I have to use that today. If you have a budget and you are looking for great affordable palettes, Morphe brushes and BH Cosmetics, they are amazing. So to start off, I am going to use this beautiful brown color, kind of like a brownish color, and we'll see from there. And I'm going to place this right where I want my eyeshadow to be. So I'm using kind of this new technique from Mitchell. I've mentioned him earlier and he's freaking amazing. I don't know if it's his technique, but I see everyone's doing it on Instagram and I tried it and oh my god, I really loved it. So creating a panda eye I think Nikki Tutorials does it as well. Now I'm taking a small brush and a clean brush, and I'm going to blend the edges of the eyeshadow. Taking the same small brush, I am going to use this color right here, which is a beautiful peachy kind of color. And I'm going to blend the eyeshadow that we've just applied on the eyelids. So just the corners. So I'm mixing a little bit of the yellow color together with the peach color. So I'm taking this brown color again and put it on the crease where you can see a little patchiness going on. Maybe with this eyeshadow it will look patchy, I have no idea. We're just going to try it. I'm going in with this dark brown color and hopefully the patchiness will go away. So taking the same small brush, I'm going to use this color from the palette to blend this right over here. So I know this looks kind of crazy, not very pretty, but we're going to fix that. I am going to cut the crease with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer, which is my favorite thing to cut the crease with. It's recommended by Makeup by Anne. She said this is perfect to cut the crease with. I used it once and it is perfect to cut the crease with. So thank you, Anne. So as you can see, we've cut the crease. I've never cut the crease like this before, but we'll just see how it works. So I'm going to use this dark color and then darken up the outer edges. And then I think we will do a shimmery color on the front. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it goes. Just experimenting, challenging yourself, you know. Be inspired. So I'm mixing the dark brown color together with the lighter brown colors. And I'm going to fade that in each other. So now, what should we do? I really want to use that rose gold color. I'm going to do it. I am going to use this pretty rose golden color. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's such a beautiful pinky golden shade. Look at that. So next to this color, I'm going to use a little bit of this shade right here. It's kind of like a taupe shade, and I think this will be the perfect color to fade like the brown and the rose gold. It looks more gold on camera, but you see kind of like a rose reflection, which is super pretty. Love it. That doesn't really look bad, right? So I'm going to remove all the fallouts. This is exactly why I'm doing the face makeup later, so we don't have any fallouts. I'm going to do the same, well, at least try to do the same, because oh my god, creating a symmetrical cut crease is very difficult. For me at least, it's very difficult. I am learning the cut crease technique, but I'm still not there, but I'm trying. So I'm going to do the same on the other side and I'll be right back. So I did the other eye as well, and guess what? They are not symmetrical. Oh my god, I had the hardest time to make it look like the other one. As you can see, oh my god. But we'll just keep going on. It's not that bad. And once everything is finished, hopefully you can't really see it. We're going to do an eyeliner. And this is the Morphe Jet Gel Liner. Eyeliner. Gel liner. I'm going to use Jack's Beauty Liner in number 3. And we're going to create a cat eyeliner. So we've applied eyeliner, and I'm going to do the face makeup because or else I can't finish the eyes, of course. So for foundation, I'm going to use the AX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation, which is a super pretty foundation. I'm going to use the number 6, and we've already primed the face. I hope the shade matches. I think it's a little bit too dark. Oh, way too dark. Ooh, way too dark. Let me fix it. I am going to mix it with a lighter foundation, and this is the clay foundation from Tarte. So hopefully this is going to make it a little lighter. Yeah. So obviously we need to fix this foundation, but I thought this is a good way to show you how to correct the color of your foundation. So what you need is a contour palette. This one is super nice. It's for highlighting contour cream pro palette from NYX Cosmetics, and they came out with a cream one. So I am really loving this. I just used it once or twice, and I'm going to show you how to correct the color of the foundation. I am going to take this shade over here and apply this on my jawline. Kind of like a beard, and just contour the way you would normally do, like forehead, nose bridge, under the eyes. And then I'm going in with this color right here, and we are going to contour. Okay. Normally, I would have just used a bronzer and a concealer, but since the color of the foundation is off, we have to use the cream contour. And it's a great way to show you guys how beautiful this contour palette is, and very affordable as well. And we love that. Taking a damp beauty blender, we are going to dab everything. So we kind of fixed the color. As you can see, it matches quite okay. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in a light medium. Oh my gosh, we need some concealer. For translucent powder, I'm going to use the NYX HD Compact Translucent Powder. And I haven't used this for a while, so I forgot actually if I liked it or not. So I'm taking a flat brush, push the product in. Sometimes I like this more than using a beauty blender. Not bad. I am going to use the Too Faced 2 colors. I love using 2 of everything. 2 highlighters, 2 concealers, 2 bronzers. I think it gives more definition to the face. My face is still a little dark. Okay, I'm going to use the dark chocolates and the milk chocolate bronzer from Too Faced. They smell amazing. Every time I'm on a diet, I use these and I feel like eating a chocolate. So I'm taking a fluffy brush, not really a contouring brush, more like a powder brush, and I'm going in with milk. And just roughly, kind of like roughly contour. Taking a smaller brush, this is the BH Cosmetics number 4 brush, and I'm taking dark chocolate and really making this area darker to define the contour. Now, one of my favorite parts, because I really wanted to show you this palette, this new Bradman Rock Morphe Brushes palette is amazing. So this is it. This is the beautiful highlighter palette from Bradman, and it is amazing. But you know, I didn't expect anything else, to be honest, because you know, he's all about the highlight, and I'm going to show you how amazing this highlighter is. I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray. Actually, it's not necessary, but you know, I love being a little extra. And we're going to use, I've used Mahu, and then I've used everything actually, but I'm going to use Mahu, Faegation, and Get Laid. So first I'm beginning with the goldest color. Like what? Okay, then I'm going in with Faegation. And then I'm going in with Get Laid. Oh my God. For blush, I'm using the Anastasia Peachy Love Trio. I like to mix everything, but I think I'm going in with this and this one. Loving it, loving it. Okay, so for the eyes, we are going to keep it very simple. I'm going to use this yellow color, this orange color, and then that's it. So we're not going to really smoke it out. Well, obviously we are smoking it out, but not with really dark colors. So we're just giving it bright and fun. Usually when a brand has a yellowish color in the palette, I'm always very skeptical because it's always like meh. But this color is like very pretty. So I'm using the dark brown color on the outer edges. So for the inner corners, we are going to use a very gold color, which is this color, and hopefully it's like super popping. And I'm going to use the Mario Badescu spray again. Oh my god, yes, this is exactly what I like. So I'm going to use the Mr. Right from the Balm. It's a great eye pencil to make your waterline a little cleaner. I hate it when I say waterline because I say waterline like from Texas or something. Going in with this. So for lashes, I'm going to use the House of Lashes in the style Natalia, and I'm going to apply it real quick and come back. So I just applied the lashes, I love them. I've used the MAC Cosmetics mascara, what I usually use in D76. It's almost empty, so I will use another mascara more often. So I thought for lips, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do a more cooler toned pinkish nude because I love contrasting colors, so warm eyeshadows but cool toned lipstick. I know some of you don't like that, but I feel like it's going to be so like predictable if I use just similar color nude. Although I really love monochromatic makeup looks, I want to switch up things and use this color together with this Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline. Maybelline Gigi Hadid, the lip liner, and in what? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I seriously can't find the name, guys. Okay, I will like look it up for you and then put it in the description box. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this look. Damn, it was a bit of a struggle, I have to admit. Lately, I've been struggling a lot. But the weird thing is I like the end results more. So it means like if you struggle, you'll get there. Kind of like that. Kind of like the same message in my previous video, like don't give up. So anyways, I hope you still can get like inspiration out of this look. If you have any ideas for a tutorial, please let me know. Please comment, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow everywhere. You know the drill. Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. Show me some love. Yes. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye.